Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. So we are going to take a little wander today to a beach bar and see how it compares to another one that we went to called Tulum. This one's Casa del Sol, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So what the drinks are like, what the beds are like, the atmosphere, the whole thing. So let's see Wagwan. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like all of the fun stuff. We are in Faliraki, Rhodes, and it is another roasting day. So we're just heading down to the main beach in Faliraki, and from where we're staying, the beach bar is about a 20-minute walk. So we did go out last night, but we didn't actually go out. We just had some dinner. We went to Village Taste, really nice. We've been there like 3 times now. But you can't beat the halloumi they have there. But I think we do need to venture out and try somewhere new today. It was really busy last night as well. So really busy. So yeah, we didn't have any drinks or anything, just really chilled out and had an early one. This one was open though, I didn't mind checking this one out. Show you guys. Mambo. So Tulum was like a really nice beach bar. Drinks were quite reasonable there, a little bit more pricey, weren't they? On the pricier end, I guess, of what your sort of budget is. So cocktails, for reference, are about 13-14 euros. Beer was 5 euros for like a draft beer, or a bottle, sorry. And then we also had some Prosecco, and for a glass I think that was about 6 euros. It was about 6 euros. So yeah, I mean, depending what your budget is, I don't think that's like extortionate, but it's not somewhere I want to chill out all day, because there is cheaper places that you can go to. So yeah, we'll basically compare this one out of this area. It's meant to be like really popular, so we thought we'd come and check it out and do a little comparison for you. I want to say like this, beach bar is just where you want to be. Either that or by the pool, but we've had a couple of pool days. So yeah, we thought we'd mix it up.
I just pull it out when I'm looking at nice things and stuff.
Sunglasses. Oh, about 9 euros. Your little trinkets, you want to buy stuff for the beach. I do like to play that, but I'm not very good. So the square's just down there, Faliraki Square. So we haven't tried this one either, so we might have to do this one as well. That's the monkey one. So yeah, we just come down to the main bit of the beach and we're going sort of the right hand side towards where that little floating water park is out there. So beach looks really nice today. Got all the beach bars, all the little sun lounges, everything. Again, looks nice and calm, really nice day. Nice cool breeze as well. Oh, I say cool. So yeah, that looks quite fun out there. Looks really tiring though. Comment below if you've ever done one of those. Trying to get a good angle, but I'm surrounded by about a billion umbrellas. Thank you. So yeah. Nice comfy ones there, really thick sun lounges compared to those ones. Meat tree, 53, it's been there a long time. There you go. You guys can see it a bit better. It's a nice little restaurant here. Cactus. Somewhere to chill out from the sunshine. Side roads go back up to the main bit up there. Snacks, cheese balls. I think I've had enough cheese to last me a lifetime since I've been here. Feta with honey. Nice one, Majora. Some of these sun lounges, some are better than others. These ones look okay, but the ones we went past a minute ago, they have like really thick padding. Golden Beach. That's just that one there. Nice umbrellas, these ones. Right, so I'm just going to talk up a little bit here because obviously the music is loud. I don't want to get distracted. So just keep walking around, but yeah, really nice lively one there. Really big. The music is very loud, which isn't a bad thing. Massage, definitely use one of those. And then you've got your normal boats and everything, paddle boarding, canoes or kayaks. All your water sports. Nice little spot there, looks like just a little kiosk, that one. Yeah, again, so use sun loungers, maybe they're a little bit cheap, that's why. Usual showers, get all the sand off you. Seems a little bit quieter, it seems packed, but it does seem a little bit more quieter than the last time we were here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pruning their garden. I don't know how I feel about having a house like that so close to the beach. I think it's good, but then where's the beach is so packed, you've always got people sort of there, haven't you? I think I like to be a little bit more isolated. Yeah, the water looks really nice and calm today. Didn't bring a towel or anything, so I don't think I'll be actually going in the ocean today. More just admiring it. Might have a little paddle, see how I feel later. Like I said, it's nice and hot today, but it doesn't feel overbearing. And there's a really nice breeze, which I'm definitely appreciating. Right, I think we've made it to our destination. So to show you guys. Okay. Hello.
Sure.
Yes, please. Right, so we made it to the destination. So yeah, we finally made it. That was a really long walk because it was so hot, but I'm glad I took you guys along with you. So we're gonna have a few drinks, see what the energy and the vibe and everything's like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you haven't seen our content, check out all the videos that we've got on the channel. We've been to lots of different places. See you on the next one.